This is what I'm doing here, is I am recording the audio. I've got the little lightning to 3.5 millimeter adapter. This has a TRS strip or connector on it. And then the lapel mic is right here. Yeah, and the track is still working on my face. It's not the best composition, but it should be, I think, okay. I'm probably getting a little hot up here on my silver head. Hello, hello. The exposure is, I've set the exposure so it's tracking about, about a stop under. It's because of all the black in the scene. So hopefully that gets my face going. I'm relying on the tiny little screen in the on the Osmo Pocket since I'm using this as my recording device for audio. Okay, so that's the end of the test. We'll see how that works.